Evening, sir.
Come on, log on.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. I can't go.
You good?
I'm watching
Yeah, no, sir. I'll go and take it easy.
Easy. Good, good, good.
Come on,
All right, let me know if you can see the question that is posted. Can you?
Read that, sir.
Can you see the question that is posted?
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead and start for me, please. Even before the others come, just get a quick start. This is what it is that we were doing last class. Remember, we started
Differentiation.
right differentiation, and we started stationary points.
Yeah.
So I want to see how far I can go with this one. So you get an early start. All right, that's all we did in class
Okay.
today. All right, cool.
Hello, good evening, Mr. Shand and company.
Hello, Moya. I sent you an email the other day and call it M squared, but I should really call it M cube.
Yes.
Yes, you saw the M squared?
Yeah. Well, no, I didn't see that, but
That means you didn't see that sign to ask them because I gave you something to send out to the class.
Really?
I sent you an email and I said M squared. Please do this for me, so forth and so on.
I'm
XYZ.
so sorry. So you know what the issue is? I need to get my actual phone is giving a lot of trouble. But so I need to put the email address on my work phone so that I can see it from there as well. Because my personal phone is kind of
Okay.
yes.
But
From
I said
today
something.
on, I will not miss a mail from you.
No problem. See if I was saying to Siobhan just now, see if we can get an early start. I know I normally give a 15 minutes grace period, but
Yeah.
because they're here, just see if we can get an early start. This is all we're doing in class today. If we finish this question pretty well, I will generate another question for us to do. But for now, I want us to look at this one.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So you see my work? I'm send you my work, let me know.
And did you swear mark it and send it back to you?
All
Okay.
right.
So you missed those two?
Yeah. But I sent you one today again.
Oh, I didn't see that one. No, today we had accreditation, so I have not really gone on. I'm only just getting myself settled for class. I have not checked my emails really today.
Okay.
But the ones that you sent me before, I marked and sent back and made some comments.
Yes.
Sure,
I
send this
see it now. M squared.
No, M cube.
M squared you have for the
Oh
one.
yeah. Oh, you seen it now?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Good
Hi,
evening.
Dean. Hi, how you doing?
Well, sir, could I have your email so I could send the work to you, the one that you gave us? Please.
Sure. Okay, as requested, it's in the chat.
Okay, thank you, sir.
No problem.
Sir,
Yes, please.
yes, I was saying I sent it as well to your email. I'm not sure if you saw that.
Okay, when did you send that? Today too?
No, I sent it, I believe it was over the weekend. I believe it was Sunday or Monday, one or two of those 2 days.
Okay, and this is Chevy, right?
Yes, sir. My name is there in the subject line.
Okay, so I'm just going into my email for the first time for the day, and I'm seeing M Cube, and I'm seeing Crosswell, and I'm seeing that's another class. Is Raheem in this class or the other class? Could be the other.
Yes, he's in.
Okay, when I see Raheem, so I'm seeing all of those that came in today. Julian, I'm seeing hers. I'm seeing Nigel. That student is from Christine Beckford. Christine Beckford. That name kind of
Yes,
so.
so she's in this class as well.
Yeah, I don't think that I can't recall engaging with her. Daniel Folk is another group. Yes, Chevy, I'm seniors now on the 13th. All right, no problem. So I have a bit of marking to do. All right. So what I want you to do for me today though is I want you as best as possible to attempt this question. I'm not going to be spending much time on this. I want you to go ahead and work. Go as far as you possibly can. I will go through the question with you. If we're finished before time, I will definitely generate another question. Somebody has a question?
Sir, I think I did this question as a practice question. I'm gonna check. And I
Please.
sent it to you. I believe so.
Well, that would be the one. That would be the one that you're talking about here.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I did. Did I? It doesn't look like it. No, I don't think so. Something similar, but it's not it.
Right. And that's one of the things. I'm happy that you made mention of that. One of the things that you will see, the questions will look very familiar. The questions will look very familiar, very, very familiar, very familiar. Because it's the same thing that you're doing over and over. Let me tell you what is the same thing over and over you're going to be doing. You're going into the exam, you see for 30 marks, the coordinates of the y-intercept, the critical points. Critical points, maybe about 12 marks. Coordinates of the y-intercept about 4 marks. So 12 and 4, that's 16 marks. Determine if it's the nature of the critical points, that's another 4 marks, that's on 20 marks. Determine the point of inflection, another 4 marks, that's 24 marks. And sketch a graph, you get about 6 marks for sketching the graph. You 30 mark right there, so. So those of you who want an A for the course, see a 30 mark here. Parts 1 through 5 will be the same. The only thing that will be different would be the given function. Sometimes the function may start off with the same 2x cubed. Right? So just work with it. 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 All right. I'm going to pause. I'm going to ask you to just go ahead and do the best you can for me. I'm giving you a few minutes and then I will pause and I will see how far you are, work up to a point, and then ask you to continue working. But please, guys, I don't want anybody to be lagging behind tonight in class. All right?
Oh, Sam, we have access to the whiteboard, just so you know.
You have who?
We have access to the whiteboard, just so
Oh, yeah. Ooh, goodness. Yes, thanks.
Evening, sir.
Good evening. Oh my goodness. I don't believe it that I just sat down and allowed you to abuse me like that. Jesus. Turn the beat around.
Evening, sir.
Easy, Papa. We're going.
I'm not going yet.
Make it up, no?
I think I catch the critical points something here, you know, sir.
All right. Just do the first two parts for me. You should be able to do the first part, the y-intercept. Remember how we find the y-intercept? What happens when we find the y-intercept?
Thanks on the one. I understand the point. We have to find the critical points first, I think.
No. It depends on how the question is given. So the first part says the coordinates of the y-intercept. So how do you find the coordinates of the y-intercept? Something must happen.
Figure as much.
Something in particular must happen.
So I miss the class, but I really don't understand what I'm going to teach.
All
I
right.
think if I next run through, but no problem for topics. So,
All right, no problem. Soon come then.
yeah. Oh, sir. Still there?
Yeah, man.
You ask something about the y-intercept.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think I just understand what you're asking now, sir.
What about it? What do you think to understand from what I just asked?
When them ask for the y-intercept, I think you have to make x equals 0.
Very good. So it's so difficult it is not?
So we can, all right. and we
You see
can
how difficult it is not?
I'll work that one there.
Yeah,
Ah,
man.
the
4
first half,
marks.
maybe.
4 marks. 4 marks.
I'm try and look, sir.
Cool.
Cool.
Sir. Sir,
Yes, please go ahead.
the words point and values, they're used interchangeably, right?
Right. So when you're calculating, when you do the when you get the critical, when you're calculating the critical points and you factorize a function, when you factorize that trinomial, you're going to get critical values. So when you now substitute those values into the original function, then the corresponding y value together with the x value will give you critical points.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Right, good. So let me just say it again for somebody who may not have gotten what I just said. So you get your function and you're factorizing. So you factorize the function. So you get x plus 2 plus times x plus 3. And you solve, so x is going to be equal to -2 or -3. Those two x values are called critical values. They are called critical values. They're only called critical points when you can write it as a coordinate, both x and y. So each of those critical values, you will have to substitute into the original function. And the corresponding y value together with the critical value will give you your critical point. All right? So I'll give you another 5 minutes to work, and then I'll work the first two parts of the question. Please and thanks. How do we say? Are we finished with part 1 and 2?
Finish with part 1, almost done with part 2.
All right, just let me know when you finish with part 2, please. I want to pause you and see how far the class reach. I want everybody to finish part 2 before I'll go ahead and do part 2. So if you finish part 2, move on to 3 for me, please. And then as soon as the last person completes part 2, I'll go ahead and do 1 and 2. Thank you.
Very quick question. So you there? Sir,
Yes, Nigel.
I was asking if when we're doing the critical points, if
Mhm.
have to find each derivative until it's equal to zero.
No.
No.
You're only finding the first derivative.
Only the first.
Only the first derivative. And then you're going to set the first derivative equals to 0, and then you factorize.
Factorize from
Yes, and when you factorize, you're going to find the critical values. Remember, those are the values that you're finding because those are only the values of x. And then having found those critical values, you're going to substitute into the original function to get the corresponding y value, and the pair of those values now will give you your critical points.
So there's a two-part to it then.
It's a two-part to it, yes. Finding the critical values and then substituting those critical values into the original function to find the corresponding y values, yes. So there's a two-part to that. And that's why that section is 12 marks.
All right, so got you.
You on? All right. Has anyone else completed question 2?
Yeah.
All right, move on. And then I'm going to give another couple of minutes to then work those for you. I'm a little concerned now, though, that it's been half an hour and you have not yet indicated that you've completed the question. How are we? Are we finished with 2 and moved on to 3?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's one person. What about the others?
Just
Talk to
finished
me.
the first part for the critical points. So
Okay, all right, good. All right, move on to the other part. What about the rest of
Sir,
you? Go ahead, please.
I attempted, but I think I am confused.
No
Should
problem.
should I move on?
No, do me a favor, just backtrack your steps and
Right.
check over that for me and see if you can identify the error that you've made.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Christine? 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 All right, see, told her that she's not in my class.
Yeah, she's.
No, she's not because I'm calling her, she's not answering.
Oh, well, I see her in the.
I see her too, but she's here but not here. Alex, how you see? All right, he's not in the class either. No, Deja, I wasn't calling just yet. Derek, how is stay? All right, I guess you guys are very busy working, so let me give you some more time to work. Tonight is not a teaching concept night. Tonight is you going to be working, and I will support you by doing the solutions for you, or with you, not for you, but with you.
Sir, they're here. I'm still on number 2, sir.
Continue working, please. Zidane, I don't hear from you at all.
They're working out, sir.
All right, good job. All right. I think that is enough time to loan to you for questions for parts 1 and 2. I'm going to say this once more. Parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are questions that are consistently placed on the examination. The only difference you may see, sometimes they ask you to find the critical points first and then ask you to find the coordinates of the y-intercept. Sometimes they may ask you to find the x-intercept, depending on the given function. Depending on the given function, they may ask you. But nonetheless, what is being asked of you will be consistent. Will be consistent, will be consistent. All I beg of you, please, in Jesus' name, learn something now. Learn something. All right, so with that said, listen there for 2 seconds. We're going to be doing
Sorry, sir. I never anything about joining the right class.
you never realize you joined the right class after 45 minutes? No, man.
Me just click put the Zoom link what they did that was shared in the WhatsApp group.
Oh, yeah. So you never saw anybody. Is you alone in the class?
And I was confused why nobody was talking.
Okay.
I was trying to catch water right now, but the pump broke down.
Oh, all right. Osh. All right. See if you can put in the earpiece and go on.
So
And water is life. So see if you can get some water. So excuse you from doing these questions. This part now.
Sir, I'm at
All
number
right.
4.
Yeah, part 4. Okay. So I'm just going to ask you to press pause just 1 minute. All of you, and I want you to give me your undivided, please. I want you to press pause just for a minute or two, and then give me your undivided, and then we'll take it from there. So what I'm going to be doing is the part 1, coordinates of the y-intercept. The y-intercept is found when what happens?
X is equal to 0.
When x is equal to 0. So we're going to let x equals 0. So therefore, y is going to be equals to 2 times 0 cubed plus 3 times 0 squared minus 12 times 0 minus 7. Y is equal to negative 7. So the coordinates. Was that difficult?
No, sir.
Matter of fact, I said that was 4 marks. That's actually not 4 marks. So that's a 2 marker.
Wow.
That's how much, sir? 2?
A 2 marker, yeah.
Okay, can I just look for the answer?
You could look at it and tell the answer. Absolutely. You could look at it and tell the answer. So it's a 2 marker. And I'll give you the number of marks as we go along. Let me know if you have any questions, please.
Quick question, sir. We have to write that x equals 0 part before we do anything else?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Any other questions?
No, sir.
Okay. So we'll just look at part 2. So you're given y to be equal to 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 12x minus 7. Once you're finding the critical point, you must now go and find dy by dx. What is dy by dx equals to?
It's
6x squared plus 6x
6x
minus 12.
Good. And for critical points, what must happen?
dy over dx must equal 0.
Very
Yeah.
good. Excellent. Excellent. So for critical points, dy by dx must be equal to 0. That's very good. Very good answer. I love that. So, ouch. So now
No.
we're gonna have 6x squared plus 6x minus 12 equals 0. What do you recognize with that equation?
It's divisible by
Can be divided by 6.
Good job. And I will say to you, once it's divisible by something, go ahead and do it. It makes your life easier. You're able to see the factors even better. Students will not sometimes stick broke in a on ears on a setting on our own way. In Jesus' name, yeah, beg you know. Once it is divisible, once you can reduce the function, reduce it. You will spend far less time doing the factorization. So this is what I'm going to say. Dividing through by 6, I'm going to have x squared plus x minus 2 equals 0. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
I'm factorizing. I'm factorizing. Let me just put, both of them are 1, but I'm factorizing.
Oh my gosh.
I'm multiplying the coefficient of x squared by the constant. I am multiplying the coefficient of x squared by the constant.
Yes.
1 times negative 2 is?
-2.
I need two numbers. When multiplied together will give me -2, but when added will give me a +1. What two
Right.
numbers are we talking about?
So negative
-2
1 and positive 2.
Okay, and I heard Maya was about to say the +2 first. So
yeah.
yes, right. So both of you are correct. So factors are 2 and -1. All right, I'm pressing pause. I'm pressing pause because I'm teaching for quite a while. I'm pressing pause because I know there's at least one somebody in the class. We have a clue where I go on. Matter of fact, don't even know how the first part of the question do. And I don't want to frustrate you, and I don't want to frustrate me. So here my question to you. Do you have any questions of me? Do you know how we got to this stage where we get the 2 and the -1?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay.
Sir, just a quick question, sir. Will there ever be a point for the exam where the x squared coefficient of x squared is greater than 1 and where we can't divide the entire equation by a whole number?
There are times the coefficient of x squared is going to be greater than 1. Oh yes, absolutely. Absolutely. And more than likely, you should be able to reduce it. But if you can't, I've shown you how to go about doing the calculations, right? But you should be able to. You'll be fine. Let me tell you something. You see, once you catch it, no matter how the man then put the question, you will have it. All I want you to do is to catch it. That's all I want you to do is to catch it. Let me know, am I able to continue? All right, so no response. Okay. Now, let me just say something. The Spirit of the Lord just breathed something to me. And let me just check something here. Okay, so there are students who have completed the question. There are 2 students who have completed the question. But that one is incomplete. The first part right, but the part that incomplete. But never mind. I'm happy for what it is that you have. Those seem correct. If you feel like you don't want your classmate to know that you don't understand, drop me a direct message here, please. Drop a teacher a direct message.
Sir,
Yes, please.
could you just please just back up a little bit? Just to reiterate that the factors, the 2 and the -1.
Okay. So I have my trinomial. The reduced trinomial is x squared plus x minus 2. And I'm trying
Yes.
to factorize. So in factorizing, I'm going to be multiplying the coefficient of x squared by the constant. I'm multiplying the coefficient of x squared by the constant. Hold on 1 minute. All right, guys. Nigel, it wasn't Nigel, sorry. It wasn't Nigel. Oh goodness. Who was it?
Right.
Yeah. You see it now?
You said you were multiplying the coefficient of x square
By the
by
constant.
the constant.
What's the coefficient of x squared?
1.
Very good. Yes, Moya, I see that one, but we will talk about that one. I love it. I love it. We'll talk about that one in a few, Moya. In a few. Yeah, yeah, right. It's 1 and 1 times what's the constant again?
Would that be 2?
Okay. And okay, I think I just lost my whiteboard. What is the constant?
2.
What's the constant?
2.
What's the constant?
-2.
Thank you, sir. You notice I didn't have to tell you, but you were just looking to see. So then I know 2 miss right there, so. But when you look good,
Yes,
it's say the
yes,
negative
yes,
sign,
sir.
yeah, man. So the
Yes, sir.
negative signs are married to these stuff. So you can't just say 2 because it's really not 2, it's a -2.
Okay.
And I didn't want to tell you because I'm not going to mean the exam to tell you, say, yo, you forget the -2. I want you to look to see it. All right, no.
Yes, sir.
So I need 2 numbers. Hear my story. I need 2 numbers. When multiplied
Yes.
together will give me -2. But when those 2
Okay.
numbers are added, will give me +1.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the +1 come from the middle term. You see that? From the 1x,
Sorry?
the positive term comes from the middle one. I didn't want that. Let me just erase this. I didn't want that. I wanted this. The
I'm not
positive
sure I
term.
understand that.
The positive. Wait, work with me. The positive term come from in here. So I need 2 numbers when multiplied together will give me -2, but when added will give me this middle term.
Okay. Okay.
Always, every single time.
Okay.
All right, every single time. All right, let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. So now we're going to say x squared plus 2x minus 1x. But sir, you didn't have to put the -1. I agree. Equals 0. All right, Chevy, I see that. The last one, the POI, I agree. I don't think I fully agree with you for the max min y values. I fully agree with you with the POI, but let us see what will happen. All right, don't do nothing more. Don't do nothing more. Chevy, just watch me, please, and then you can do some adjustments. M cube, I think I would agree with you, M cube, for all of those. And Raheem, I would agree with you. All right, soon company one there. All right, the rest of you I need to see. Even drop something in the chat so I can look at something. All right, let's go. I'm gonna group. Watch me. Watch this one carefully. Watch me. I always leave the middle sign out every time. However, when that middle sign is out and it's a negative sign, you have to flip this sign on the inside here. So instead of the -2 right here, so it'll become a positive. Sir, that don't make any sense because okay, fine, I agree with you, but let us check. X squared plus 2x is this x squared plus 2x. -1 times 1x is -1x. Do I agree? Talk fast.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, and this -1 times a +2 gives me what?
-2.
See it up here, so So you have to flip it. Once the negative sign is in the middle, it must be flipped. Please make a notation somewhere in your book. Once the negative sign is in the middle, you got to flip it. Watch this other story.
Sir, it's just the same. For me, how I remember it is just -1 times -2
Very
will
good.
be a +2.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. But look here now. Look at this story. Whatsoever sign that is here has to be the same sign that is here.
And
These two signs must be the same every time, barring none, every single time. All right, let's continue. What is common between x squared and 2x?
X.
2. Oh, wait, X.
What is left?
X plus 2.
X plus 2.
What is common between 1x and 2?
X.
No,
Oh, no, negative.
Negative.
One, sir.
-1.
Negative, yeah.
And then we have the x plus 2.
Plus 2.
And then
So
what is common right there?
X plus 2 is probably between them.
And x minus 1 is left. So you have that, and then
Yeah, I should ask you about that, sir.
mm-hmm,
From what I understand, when you reach this stage of the factorization, when you get these terms, I never really understood that. Like, say, when you have one bracket, and you said, say it have x plus 6 and x minus 3, the values would become like, say, x is equal to like +6 and x equals -3 or something like that. I don't remember
Yeah,
the order just so long ago.
yeah.
But could you explain that?
But see, try to I just wrote it. So when x plus 2 is equal to 0, you're trying to find the value of x that will make that happen. So it has to be -2.
Okay.
And when x plus 1 equals 0, x has to be equal to 1. The value of x that will make that 0 will be 1.
Negative 1,
So,
yes.
so that's exactly what it is. No. Thanks, Crossy, for highlighting that. These are called my critical values. Those are called my critical values. I need to step away for like 5 minutes, but I don't get the indication yet. All right, let me just continue, right? And then watch me. I'm going to put x equals -2 into y is equals to 2x cubed. Wait, go 2x cubed what? 3x squared plus -7 -7. Anyway, in the function I see x, I'm going to put -2. So y is equals to 2 times -2 cubes plus 3 times -2 square. Chevy, you say anything yet?
Yes, sir. I had the right thing, but put the wrong value. I don't know how that happens, but yes, sir.
Okay. -2 to the third power. Hold on. I think I'm getting the indication now. Give me. Continue working that for me, please, and then I'll just confirm it when I come back. I'm stepping away. I'm not. Yeah. Soon. All right, guys, I am back. Thank you for understanding. All right, so where was I? Thank you, Moya. So -2 cubes will be -2 times -2 times -2, which is -8. -8 times 2 is going to be -16. -2 squares is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. -2 times 12. -12 is positive 24. Minus 7. 16 plus 12 is going to be -4. -4 plus 20 is going to be -4 plus 24 is going to be positive 20. Positive 20 minus 7 is going to be 13. So y is equal to 13. So my critical point there is going to be -2 comma 13. And based on what I'm seeing, all right. So you said that you saw that already. Okay, m cube, you got that. Raheem, is what I'm talking about now?
Yes, sir, and the other one as well.
Okay, good job. I'm happy. And then that is for point x equals 2. Let us now check point x equals 1. Oh, come on, pen. Every night this thing give me a problem. 2 times 1 cube plus 3 times 1 square minus 12 times 1 minus 7. I'll check to see if you're correct. Y is equal to 1 cube is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 squared is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Negative 12 times 1 is going to be negative 12 minus 7. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 minus 12 is negative 7. Negative 7 minus 7 is going to be negative 14. And you're correct, sir. So my critical point is going to be 1 comma negative 14. Let me pause here and ask a question. Was that difficult?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, it's not.
So I'm trying to understand.
Yeah, man. Nigel. Ninja gone.
Still here, sir. Still here.
But how you feel now?
Work in progress, sir.
Okay. All right. So it says critical points. Now we need to determine if the critical points is or are maximum or minimum. So they need to look at whether or not sometimes it is. They ask about the nature. Oh, come on, Pin. So sometimes in our exam paper, they ask you, determine the nature of the critical points. Are the same thing they might ask about. Don't be alarmed, don't be fooled, don't be nervous by it. It's the same thing I'm talking about. The nature of the critical points, yeah, it them I talk about. All right. So let us look at the nature of the critical points. On Saturday, I got so excited and I jumped into point of inflection before I even do that. So let us look at part 3 now. And I hope I don't get carried away again. All right. So recall, dy by dx is equals to 6x squared plus 6x minus 12. That's it, good Lord Jesus. 6x squared plus 6x minus 12. Yeah. So now, d squared y by dx squared is going to be equals to what? You tell me.
12x plus 6.
12x plus 6. We're going to press pause right there. We're going to press pause right there. Oh, I was supposed to be showing you some things as I go along now. You get a mark for that. Right? Press pause right there. What we're doing right there, so now is testing. So I'm going to look at critical point, negative 2, 13. Anywhere in my critical point I see x, I'm going to substitute negative 2. So d squared y by dx squared is going to be equal to 12 times negative 2 plus 6. 12 2 is 24, that's minus 24 plus 6. That's going to be equal to negative 18. Hmm? There's a maximum. And then we look at critical point now.
Sir, so you only need to find to the second derivative?
Does this, sir? Yes, sir.
So you don't need to go to the third?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Then d squared y by dx squared is going to be equal to 12 times 1 plus 6 is equal to 12 plus 6, which is equal to positive 18. Because it's positive, it's a minimum.
Sir, how remember all of that? So you have a way to remember that because in find some I can't remember the curve, how the curve of the turn for each of them. And which one is
Maximum looks like this because it's negative, this negative. And minimum is going to look like that. So maximum looks like an N because it's negative. Minimum is a U.
Sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. I think I got a little bit lost on the second line. Where you have now d square y over dx square. I'm not 100% sure how you get this square in the middle between d and y.
That's the second derivative, sir. Remember, the first class I said to you, when you find the first derivative, it's going to be dy by dx. If you find the second derivative, it's going to be d squared y by dx squared. If you find the third derivative, it's going to be d cubed y by dx cubed. The fourth one, d to the fourth y by dx4. So that's just a nomenclature. That's how you name it.
Okay, sir.
But you understand how to differentiate again at the second time, right, Derek?
Sorry?
You understand how to differentiate it the second time, right?
Yes, I understand everything so far coming down, sir.
Okay, good job.
Crystal.
So good, nice, good. So that is what is that now? That is part 3. Part 4 now. Determine the point of inflection. Part 4 asks us to determine the point of inflection.
The point of inflection.
I'll call it QI. No, look here. So recall.
Yes.
D squared y by dx squared is equals to 12x plus 6. I'm going to set that equals to 0. So now I'm going to have 12x is equals to negative 6. I'm solving for x. So x is going to be equal to negative a half. I'm going to put x equals to negative a half into y is equal to
2x cubed
2x cubed
plus 3x squared. That's 12 minus 7.
Minus 12x minus 7.
12x.
Minus 12x minus 7. Anywhere in the function I see x, I'm going to put negative a half. Y equals 2 times negative a half. Come on. cube plus 3 times negative a half square minus 12 times negative a half minus 7. Negative a half cube is going to be negative 1/8 plus 3 times a quarter minus 12 times negative a half minus 7. Y is going to be equal to negative a quarter plus 3/4 plus 6 minus 7. That's a half minus a half. For the point, oh no, for the POI is going to be equals to negative a half, comma negative a half. Agreed?
Oh, that one. I just put one of them, I forgot to put two.
I know that. I saw that. I saw that. But I'm proud of you though. You were correct for all the points. Dijani, you are okay? You're very silent.
Oh, yes, sir. I just didn't get it the first time I did it in class, and then I didn't get to go to the Saturday
Sir.
class. I'm just listening now
Okay,
to
then,
like
no
get
problem.
it.
No problem. Yes, Crosswell?
Yeah, I'm always the time, sir. I'm not waiting for the truck to come down and they say, God, I now come back for tonight.
Yeah, so I didn't hear what you say. What you say? You wasted time for what?
Then you'll see truck. When you see it in a square, me thinks that come down the road, but it turn back up.
Oh, yeah. Water done, man. Water done. Osh. Osh. I understand exactly.
Them say they come twice a week still, so.
Yeah, osh. But make sure so you boil that water before you drink it here, please. Because sometimes we don't even know where them get the water from. I don't care if it's NWC, but make sure you boil the water. All right, let's go.
Sir,
Because go ahead for me, please.
before you move on, just explain one more time what point of inflection is, sir.
Okay, so the point of inflection is I have my minimum value here. I have my maximum value here. The point of inflection is that halfway point between the maximum and the minimum.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah, man.
So is it the case where X is always the same as Y?
No. Rubbish that. No.
Last question that we did was 2 and 2 as well.
Oh, it's just by chance. No. All right, let me do that sketch and then I'm going to give you one to do for me in class. I'm going to do that one in half an hour. I'm going to do that sketch of.
The one that I sent you.
Yeah, man, that's exactly what I was going to do. You've read my mind. All right, I'm going to do this thing.
What for this one?
I'm going to do this thing there. Show off fun, you say. I know how to use this thing.
Let me just see.
All right, go through my session.
Right.
Oh, Rockstone. Shame.
Sir, you're putting effort into this one.
But me say, I'm going to tell you, man, enough. But I want to listen to me. All right. So I have this one here now. No, I'm going to call this. All right, sorry. Give me the points again. Critical point is -1, O again.
Yes. 13. Negative. No, negative third. Yeah, mixed me up. It's -2 and 13 for max and negative and 1 and -14 for minimum.
1 and -14 for minimum.
Yes.
And then POI. I hate when this pen is misbehaving. So POI is -0.5, comma -0.5. And then the y-intercept is what? 0.7 or -7?
-7.
-7.
So I like writing my points here because all of those points are going to come on the graph. So now when I write the points here, it tells me, ooh, I went all the way down to negative 14. All right, you know what I'm going to do? Me just going to call this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 14, 12, 10, 8, 6.
Or what going in from 2, 6, 3.
That makes sense?
Oh yeah, it makes sense.
All right, then cool. So 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So 2. Right? And then my x value now is that can spread out. If I want me can go to 2. I want me can call this 1 and call that 2. Can spread out that. And call this 1 and call this what just a 2. Negative 1, negative 2. Watch me now. Is a sketch.
We have a point there.
Yeah, but I'm going to put in the max and minimum first. Maximum, remember the maximum turn so, and the minimum turn so. It's negative 213. And I know that graph's supposed to turn so. And one negative 14. I know that graph can turn so. And then point is negative a half. That is somewhere down here, so. So now this come so. And then intercept. Oh no, the intercept is 0. Yeah, 0, negative 7. All right, so 0, negative 7, negative 6, negative 7 go right here, so. Come on, man, pin. Jeez and please, man. So all the points that I got were able to go on the graph. You notice I'm not crossing the x-axis because I don't know where it crosses on the x-axis. But I know I have 1, 2, 3, 4 points, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 points right there. Ask me questions. Right? No questions. We have one other to try. Moya, can you give me the question for me, please?
Sir?
The question.
Yes, I can pin it if you allow me.
Sure. I would love for you to do that. I can set up me writing. Great. Go right ahead now for me, please.
Okay. Oh, sorry. That's where we should go. There.
Wow, is what I'm talking about? You know, say 12 and 4 and 2 and 6 and 6. The graph. Did I not say this to you at the start of the class? I thought them marks are going to get with them something there?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right, hold him down a little bit, please. All right,
Sir,
cool.
let's.
All right. Thanks much. Let me do that. All right, quick and fast, guys. I want you to try as best as you can to get this stuff. We have to get this, guys. It's 30 marks. 30 marks. We're getting an A for calculus. We're getting an A for calculus. 30 marks. On the mark gets it, go.
Sir, might I hope you said that question there was an error, you know, honestly, but I guess not.
Ha ha ha. Let us see what it looks like.
Sir,
Yes, please.
just a quick question. Is it that we can go up to the second derivative to find the critical point? Because mm, I don't I just can't find the factors.
You can't find the factors?
No, is it that we can go up to the second derivative?
No, you can't go to the second derivative. So you can get 3, 6,
All right,
18, 18
let
x
me
squared.
just try again until don't reveal it yet.
All right, then cool. Try one more time. I don't know if the question can work in the wait, what year paper was this?
2024. Sir, then that may say almost one of them question that will not make sense.
I don't I don't know. What 2020 who?
2024.
2024. All right.
Not
I'll get
2024 or 2023, because I
all right.
took it from the ones that Kimberly sent.
All right. I'm going to work the question and see what happens.
So you're sure one cannot be worked?
I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't work it yet. It was just pinned today.
But kind of find more ways still.
All right. Continue working. Continue working.
Oh, man, you're nine, this man.
Who annoying me?
Nine.
Derek, who annoying? Mute the microphone.
Not you, sir.
Yes, sir. We can do the first one. Huh? Sir.
All right. It's on. I can't cross it. All right. Let me just check to see if something
No,
wrong with this
sir. Only you can do that if you use quadratic formula.
formula.
But yeah, quadratic
Yeah, and
formula.
normally
But I
we don't
get
give
this
we
one.
don't give a quadratic formulas for this thing. So if that is a quadratic formula question, it means there's a bad question. And as Moya says, it could be one of those bad questions that end up on an exam paper.
Germany, what is quadratic formula?
X equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over.
Don't mash up my brain in the evening.
All right, let me try it. Critical points.
Supposed to be over 280 or something like that, right?
Say it again.
It's supposed to be all over 280 or something like that, right?
No, sorry. Come again, Cresswell.
Now I was talking to the quadratic formula. When
All over 2a. Yeah. All over 2a. Yeah. F dash of x.
I was looking at it and I started to remember.
18x squared plus 2x minus 3. So, for critical points, f dash of x is equal to 0. Therefore, 18x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. 18, 3 8 24, 3 1 3 54. You got 54? 18 times 3 is 54?
Yes, sir.
There's a negative 54.
Negative 54, yeah, man. Negative 54. And prime factorizing 2 into 54 goes 27. 2 into 27, no, 3 into 27 goes 9. 3 into 9 goes 3 times. 3 into 3 goes 1. Um, 3 3 is 9. And 3 2 is 6. 6 7 8 9. No, that's not going to work. Squared. How do we manipulate that to get 2 in the middle? 2 3 2 3 6. 2 3 6 and 3 3 is 9. 6 9s are 54. If I subtract 6 from 9, I'm going to have 3 left. That's not going to work it. 3 3 is 9.
So it's 9 and the other number now with nothing else now go.
No, that's exactly what it is. Two 2 9s are 18 and 3. No, that won't work. What year was this?
So I'm gonna check. I think it's between 2023, 2024. So I'm gonna look at the paper.
Yeah, please. Because that is not factorizable, and we don't give this. We never normally give the question with the quadratic formula.
Never normally.
No, we never normally do. No.
Definitive and boy.
No. Oh, okay. So Nikki is saying it's 2023. So 2023 was a bad paper. 2023, it was a bad question. All right, so let me tell you what could have happened here. Maybe when they did this, they would have sent an erratum sheet. An erratum sheet is a correction to a question that came. So more than likely that and the erratum sheet wasn't attached to this to correct the question. So clearly, it's a bad question. Not that it can't work. The question can be worked, but it's just that we never normally give you the quadratic thingy bob. So let me give you a function. By the way, do you see any other question?
So no, I'm not crazy.
Well, not today. All right. Let me see if I can. All right, write this down for me, please. Write this down for me, please.
Same questions, but different functions, sir.
Very good, sir. You're learning. I'm going to give you a different function, but it's under the same type of questions that are going to be there. Okay, let us see if we can do this.
They want to crop the top part out of that.
No, that's fine.
The thing nobody don't get money.
No, that's well. No, that's all right. We show them say people we are human and we can make mistake too. Let's go with this one. Let's go. Write for me, please.
Right.
X cube minus 3x squared minus 24x. X cube minus 3x squared minus 24x.
Okay.
Remember x cube what? Minus 3x squared, thank you, Moira. Minus 24x. Good job. All right, do that. We have less time, but see if we can even get up to the first and second parts for me, please.
Sir. Hola, Mr. Senior Shand. Sir, where is he going? Huh.
Sorry, Mario, what was that?
Sir, I'm still, for that one, I'm still having some challenges with the factors again.
Trouble.
Because the factors that I got are -4 and 2. But, oh, never mind, sir. My bad. Let me put my glasses on. Oh, geez.
I love it.
I was still looking at the original thing rather than what I reduced it to. So that's why it's fine.
Mhm. OST.
For now, right?
Okay. Anybody else?
Sir, I'm stuck.
Where?
When we get the factors, right, sir?
Mm-hmm.
So if me I do it right, but I end up with something like 3x plus 6, x minus 4. I'm not sure what I do after that. So I did send us something on the phone, you know.
Yeah, man, I just saw it a while ago.
And the same foolishness I do a while ago, I'm gonna think I'm on the right track.
Yeah, man, I just saw it a while ago. I will take a break after following this class and then just go through those pieces of work that you send me for the rest of the night until I fall asleep, and hopefully I finish marking them tomorrow. I never went on my email today because we still have the accreditation visit. So I was up and down today. Matter of fact, and truth be told, I left my cell phone today. Though I had the tablet, but connectivity on campus is jeez. Anyhow.
Buy data, sir.
Yeah, I have data now. My phone is a straight hookup, but I left it. All right. So f dash of x is gonna be 3.
Sir, I said finish marking those, sir. Finish marking one, sir.
Yes, Virginia, I was. You don't remember me, but I remember you. I emceed your awards. When you're in the second year. So I remember you, but you clearly don't remember me. Yes, ma'am. When we're in the hall, I was your MC. 3x squared. 3 to 6x minus 24. And then for critical points, if dash of x is equal to 0. So therefore, I'm going to have 3x squared minus 6x minus 24 equals 0. I can divide through by what number? I can divide through by what?
3, sir.
Yeah,
By 3.
By 3. Then we get x squared minus 2x minus 8. X squared, the coefficient of x squared is 1. 1 times negative 8 is negative 8. The two numbers are multiplied together will give me negative 8, but when added will give me negative 2. That sounds like negative 4 and 2. Talk truth.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
X squared minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 equals 0. Group x squared minus 4x in one bracket. Leave the little sign out every time. 2x minus 8 in the other bracket. What is common there that is common there will be x. What is left will be x minus 4. What is common to the other one will be 2. What is left will be x minus 4. What is common to both will be x minus 4. What is left is x plus 2 equals 0. So either x minus 4 equals 0, which implies x is equal to positive 4. Murder. X is equal to positive 4. Or I'm going to have x plus 2 equals 0, which implies x is equal to negative 2. These are my critical values. Then I'm going to put x equals 4 into y is equal to x cubed minus 3x squared. X cubed minus 3x squared minus 24x. Y is equals to, whoa, 4 cubed minus 3 times 4 squared minus, we need to go to the calculator quick and fast. I'm trying to finish out the first part and then release you. Y is equals to 4, 64. 16, 60 minus 48. Tell me if I'm right, minus 48. That's 96. 96, 64, 74, 84, 94, 32. I get negative 32. Tell me if I'm correct, please. Are you guys checking for me? Trying to finish this part and then release you.
24 times 4 is 96.
You don't get 32, negative 32?
I get negative 80. We have 24 times 4, you have negative 48 at the end.
It's supposed to be 96. That is 96. Yeah. So 48. 48 and 48, that's 48 and 48, that's 96. So I'm going to add 48 to that. 40, 50, 60, 40, 50, negative 80.
Yes, so negative 80 is what I got.
Yeah, so it's negative 80. And then, and then you have negative 2 into that. 3 times negative 2 squares. Minus 24 times negative 2. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, that's minus 8. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 12, minus 12. Plus, that is now 48. And that is going to be 20. I get 28. I mean, yeah. Is it 28 is correct?
Yes, sir, 28 is correct.
So, yes, it worked out. I'm going to end right there. Finish the question for me, please, and thank you. Finish the question, please, and thank you. So.
Sir, I just have one question, sir. Where you go, sir? Were we given an assignment, sir?
I gave a piece of work, yes.
Sir, where we can find that, sir?
You could find it last week, Saturday. Don't worry.
In the chat, the group chat.
Check your group chat, please. You'll see it. You have to, guys. You have to check. You have to check your email. You have to check the group chat. You have to keep alive. All right. You have to keep alive. Before I go, if any one of you can brave waking up at 5 o'clock tomorrow, and you're still not understanding this topic, you can join the business calculus students. If you're waking up, can wake up at 5 o'clock tomorrow, just come and join the business calculus students, because I'll be going through questions like these. That's all I'm doing this week with both of you. And by the end of the week, you shall understand it and learn it. Guys, thanks for coming. Have a good one.
There are class coming up now, sir.
Not immediate. Well,
All right,
my
sir,
class,
blessings.
yeah, is my dinner class. But go ahead. You have a question for me, Nigel?
Oh, let me save this.
And I want to show you the mistake that I made. It's similar to one that sent to you, sir. And I think I kind of hold on to that. And it's incorrect.
All right. Tell me where it went wrong.
All right. So, unfortunately, I have the 3x squared minus 6x minus 24 from a constant, right? So I have all of that. And I multiply the coefficient times the constant. So now I end up with 62. So I have 3x squared minus 12x plus 6x minus 24, sir. on my do that, I have 3x open bracket x minus 4.
Sorry, you lost me.
Oh,
So you have 3x squared minus 6x minus 24, you say?
yes, sir.
Where you went from there?
And then below that, I have 3x open bracket x minus 4. Okay, downhill, may I go from this one?
Follow me. So you have that point. You have this point here, right?
Yes, sir.
Do this next. You need to divide it throughout the equation by 3 to simplify it, and you're solving a quadratic. You're solving a trinomial quadratic equation. You're solving a quadratic equation. Solving a quadratic equation. Solving a quadratic equation, eh? And that quadratic equation now will tell you that you have to multiply the coefficient of x squared by the constant, which is 1 times -8 is -8. And it's going to tell you that you need two numbers. When multiplied together, will give you -8, but when added, will give you a -2.
Yes, sir.
If you do it any other way, you're going to get it wrong.
That may I notice, sir.
Mhm.
But funny here, sir, when I calculate it down, I actually get similar to what you would have, but I still have the 3 on the outside where just throw me off.
You don't want similar, you want exact answer. Right? So it can't work that way.
I noted, duly noted.
Yeah, man. And it's a fun and what I want you to do is to go back and look at the other ones and just follow the format to factorize the function, and you should be good to go. I promise you.
All right, sir, no problem.
Any other questions?
Not right now, sir. 5 o'clock tomorrow.
Big up yourself.
All right, sir. Blessings.
All right, all the best, guys.